They were actually looking for a cargo of champagne, of all things, when they encountered something which they picked up on their sonar. And when they looked at this thing, they realized there was something down there.
Their sonar displayed a remarkable image. The mysterious object, now known as the Baltic Sea anomaly, is unlike anything the treasure hunters have ever seen. After diving down to get a better look, the explorers find the object to be shaped like a perfectly round saucer, 60 meters in diameter, with a rock-like exterior.
One explanation was that this was the gun turret or the remains of a sunken battleship or submarine or something to that effect. But there's no record of anything going down in the area that this can be connected to. So what is it? We ultimately just have no idea.
Well, this unusual object on the bottom of the Baltic Sea, if you look at it as a flying machine, it looks like something that would be in a science fiction movie that's meticulously put together to do something, to perform something. How big it is, I can't tell from this, but it's not something that was made by currents on the bottom of the ocean. Somebody made that.
The object, whatever it is, looks like the Millennium Falcon from the Star Wars movies. You know, it's got geometric patterns to it, and it does look like a kind of a craft. There are people who believe it's an alien base or even a petrified alien ship, if somehow an alien craft is able to turn to stone. Whatever this is, it's not something, I don't think, that formed organically at the bottom of the seabed.
Mainstream scientists believe the strange object is a natural geological formation. But what if they're wrong? Could the sonar image actually be evidence of an underwater spacecraft of extraterrestrial origin?
There are rumors that there have been samples taken at its layered metallic structure, which would have to be manufactured. So the Baltic Sea anomaly is not explainable today. It's not being researched in public that we know of, but it does have a lot of characteristics that indicate it might be something from another world.
What we're looking at is probably an ancient crash site. There's definitely a skid mark you can see from it skipping or hitting the bottom. So it was definitely moving when it crashed there.
If this strange object really is an alien vehicle, why does it appear to be made of stone?
We all know what a petrified tree is. It was once alive and it became stone over time. So if this thing is petrified UFO down there, maybe it was alive and wasn't metal at all. Maybe it was some kind of living biological machine. I think what they've found is probably some kind of ancient fossilized UFO. Every now and again in human history, we seem to get lucky and find a real piece of evidence that seems to lean toward extraterrestrial presence here on Earth for a long, long time.
This isn't something that is natural and that was formed over time. There are very deliberate patterns on this object. So could it be that this is a crashed UFO? We have reports of these objects crashing on land. So why wouldn't we have something that would crash underwater? Whatever this object is, it is clear that it's out of place.